Hello friends, today we visit a special place, Switzerland. It is a land of peace like a gentle dream. The air is fresh and clean, inviting you to relax. Imagine a country painted with happy colors. Green fields roll like soft blankets and bright flowers bloom everywhere. The houses are neat and pretty, like a storybook place. Here, worries float away like little clouds in a blue sky. Switzerland waits to share its calm with you. The gentle sounds of nature are all around. A soft breeze whispers through the trees and a little bird sings a sweet song. It is a place to just be, to feel happy and calm. The mountains watch over you like gentle giants. The lakes sparkle with calm light. Even the cows in the fields seem to smile. This journey will be soft and sweet, like a peaceful piano song. Let's open our eyes and our hearts to the gentle dreams of Switzerland. Here you can find peace in your heart. The world feels soft and kind. Everything invites you to slow down. This is the gift of Switzerland, a soft, cozy hug. Come with me, let's explore together. Let's begin our journey. Look up high. See the Swiss mountains, big, strong, and kind. Snow covers their tops like white hats sparkling in the sun. These ancient mountains hold stories of peace. The wind sings a soft song around the peaks. Here you feel small but safe and peaceful. The air is clear and fresh, making you feel strong and calm. Imagine these mountains made of soft clay, round, gentle, and inviting. Their colors are soft grays, whites, and green at their feet. They look like they want to give you a comforting hug. Standing near these mountains fills you with wonder and quiet, like listening to soft piano notes, clear and pure. The mountains help you find your focus. They remind us of nature's beauty and the peace it brings. Each moment here is a breath of calm. The mountains are always watching, always gentle. Their presence is steady and reassuring. You can almost hear the silence. It's a place to pause and reflect. The mountains are Switzerland's gentle guardians, and they invite you to feel at peace. Now, let's look at the Swiss lakes. Big blue mirrors of calm. They reflect the tall mountains and the blue sky above. The water is cool and inviting, with a gentle breeze making tiny waves. These lakes bring peace to your heart. Sit by the water, watch the gentle movement, and listen to the soft lapping sounds. It's like nature's own lullaby. Worries float away on the water, leaving you light and happy. The lakes are a gift of quiet joy. Imagine the shores made of smooth, rounded clay pebbles. Soft grasses sway gently, and little clay boats float peacefully. The water looks soft, like blue jelly. Everything feels gentle to the touch. The quiet of the lakes is like soft music. Think of a piano playing slow, gentle tunes. Each note falls like a drop of water, creating ripples of peace. This quiet helps you rest and think clearly, or just sit and feel the calm. Swiss lakes are truly pools of serenity. They invite you to pause and breathe. The lakes are Switzerland's peaceful heart. Let their calm fill you. Let's walk into a small Swiss village. The houses are charming, with wooden balconies and bright flowers. Smoke curls softly from chimneys and it smells like warm bread. Everything feels cozy and welcoming. People move slowly, smile and say hello. Life here is simple and good. You can hear gentle sounds. A distant cowbell, children playing softly. Time slows down and you feel at ease. Picture these villages made of clay. Houses with rounded edges, plump flowers, smooth cobblestone streets. Even the village cat looks soft and cuddly. It's like stepping into a gentle cartoon world. The peace here is like a warm blanket. It wraps around you and makes you feel safe. Like a quiet piano melody in a cozy room. The music is simple and sweet, filling you with belonging. These villages help you forget your worries. They invite you to enjoy the simple things, to find joy in quiet moments. The villages are Switzerland's gentle soul. Let their peace comfort you. Now, let's step into a Swiss forest. The trees stand tall and green, sunlight making golden patterns on the ground. The air smells fresh like pine needles. It's cool and shady, a perfect place for a quiet walk. Nature whispers its secrets here. Listen, birds sing, a stream gurgles, leaves rustle softly. These are the sounds of peace. Walking on the soft forest path feels good, like a gentle carpet. Imagine the forest in our clay world, smooth trunks, soft leaves, bright mushrooms, cuddly animals. The forest feels safe and magical. The quiet helps you think, or just be present, like a piano playing a thoughtful, slow song. This green world recharges your spirit. It fills you with calm energy. In Switzerland, beauty is like peaceful piano music. The gentle notes float in the air, matching the calm of the mountains and lakes. This music touches your heart softly, helping you feel the peace all around. It's a soundtrack for your Swiss dreams. Think of high mountain peaks. Piano plays clear, bright notes. Strong, yet gentle and inspiring. In the green valleys, the piano plays soft, flowing melodies, like a gentle river of sound. This music is simple and pure, with space to breathe. Just like you have space to breathe in Switzerland. It calms your mind, soothes you when tired, and helps you focus. It's music for your inner peace. When you see Claymation Switzerland, hear the piano. The soft shapes move gently with the music. The rounded hills rise and fall like melodies. The clay flowers nod to the rhythm. It's a dance of peace and beauty. The music and gentle sights work together. They create deep relaxation, a truly calming and happy experience. Let's talk more about this clay idea. Imagine Switzerland made of soft modeling clay, everything a little bit round. The mountains have smooth, gentle slopes, and the trees are like soft green puffs. The houses look huggable, with no sharp edges, only soft shapes and gentle forms. This clay style makes everything feel friendly, like a world from a happy dream. The colors are soft and warm or bright and cheerful, but never harsh. The textures look inviting, like you want to touch them. A soft woolly sheep in a clay field, a smooth clay stone by the lake. This playful, soft look is calming, reminding us of childhood toys and happy feelings. There's a gentleness and innocence to it. It makes the beautiful Swiss scenes even more soothing, like a visual lullaby for your eyes. It makes you smile without trying. Seeing Switzerland this way feels extra special. The peaceful nature gets even softer. The quiet villages feel cozier, the majestic mountains feel kinder. This clay world enhances tranquility. It helps your mind relax completely. It's a unique way to see beauty and feel deep, happy calm. Switzerland is a place to rest your mind. The beautiful sights help you feel calm. The mountains, lakes, and forests invite you to slow down and let go of worries. This is good for your mind, like a long, good sleep for your thoughts. The peaceful piano music and gentle scenes help you relax and drift into restful sleep. Let this calm stay with you. Carry it into your day. Our journey through peaceful Switzerland is ending, but the peace does not have to end. You can take these feelings with you. Keep the beautiful images in your mind. The tall mountains, the calm lakes, the sweet villages, and green forests. Remember the soft, gentle claymation world, a happy place to visit in your thoughts. Remember the sound of peaceful piano music. Let it play softly in your heart. When you feel stressed or worried, think of the calm Swiss scenes. Let them soothe your mind. This peace is always there for you. You just need to remember it. Switzerland teaches us to find beauty in quiet moments and appreciate the simple things. A beautiful view, a gentle sound, a feeling of peace in our hearts. We can find these moments anywhere, if we look for them. And if we allow ourselves to feel them. I hope you feel inspired to find your own peaceful moments. Maybe you'll visit Switzerland one day, or maybe you'll create your own Swiss peace, in your home, your garden, your mind. Look for the soft shapes, the gentle feelings. Listen for the quiet music. Carry the magic of Switzerland with you always. Let peace be your companion. Thank you for joining this gentle journey.